In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can start dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. Now, the reason why people use AliExpress to dropship on eBay is because of the cheap prices on AliExpress. Like, you can find very cheap items here that you can dropship on eBay for a very good profit. Now, I'm gonna explain to you guys every single thing, and I hope you guys understand every single thing that I'm about to show you in this video, because my English is not like the best, but I am going to try my best to show you guys how I do this and how much money I make. And like, I have been doing eBay dropshipping for 3 years, and I'm gonna be showing you guys what worked for me, so you can do the exact same thing. Okay, now if you watch this video till the end, I am sure guys you will start this business right now. Like, okay, today you can start this, and within 10 days you can scale it. Okay, like, a lot of people ask me on YouTube. I made some videos about how to dropship on eBay, and people ask me how long it will take me to make $1,000 per month profit from eBay. Now, my answer, it depends. Like, it depends on a lot of factors, like if someone has any experience with selling on eBay, the previous experience selling on eBay, or if someone like works hard, because there is a difference between someone who is really looking for a way to make this work and someone who doesn't, who is just like looking for an easy way. Now, after guys you create an account on AliExpress, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy from AliExpress and how you can like talk to suppliers after someone places an order on your eBay. I'm going to be showing you how you can talk to suppliers so that they don't include original price. Like, I'm going to show you guys the message that you send to these suppliers, so that they don't include the original price in the package, and people that are going to buy from you on eBay, they won't see the original price in the package, and you won't have any problem. Compared to Walmart or Amazon, a lot of sellers always face the problems with the package, because there is always a logo, like the Amazon logo in the package, and it's really bad. Okay, now the first thing you need to do guys is to create an account on AliExpress, and the second thing is to find a winning product. Okay, now how I find a winning product, I just find a random product on AliExpress. It could be any product. Okay, it could be any product. I just find that product on AliExpress, and I search for it on eBay. Now, the reason why I do this, I want to find people who are dropshippers, like who are dropshipping from AliExpress. The reason why I do this again is to copy them. Like, that's all I do guys. I just copy people. I find a product on AliExpress, and I go to eBay and I search for people who are dropshippers from eBay. Okay, now let's start right now. Now, the first thing, you want to go to AliExpress and find any product you can find here. Like, for example, this product. Okay, now what I do guys, I just go and I search. I just copy the title and I go to eBay and I search for this exact title. Now I go to the first result, and as you can see, make sure the item location is China, as you can see. Now, if the item location is United States, you don't want to click on the product, because we want to find people who are dropshipping from China, because AliExpress is a Chinese website. Okay, now if it's China, you want to do the next thing, which is to go to the store of the seller. You want to click on the username of the seller. We want to see the location of the store. Okay, now the location, click on about. Yeah, this guy lives in somewhere else. Like, for example, me, I live in Morocco. The location of my store in Morocco, but the item location is China. That means I am a dropshipper. I don't have stock in my country. I am just dropshipping from China. That's exactly, guys, what you need to find. You need to find people. Keep in mind, this is going to take a little bit of time, so I just got lucky. I found it quickly. Now, this is the only hard part about eBay dropshipping, is to find dropshippers from AliExpress. You want to, like, for example, it will take you 2 hours to find like 10 products. Okay, now the first thing, guys, you need to do, like, after you search for that product on eBay, after you search for a random product on AliExpress, you search for it on eBay. Like, even if the product is not the same, it doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter, because the seller lives in a country where it's not China. Okay, he lives in a different country. So that means he is using AliExpress to dropship on eBay. I hope guys you understand me. Now after you click on any item, the first thing you want to do every time is to check the item, the store location, and if it's not in China, that means, and the item location is China, that means this guy is dropshipping. Now you want to click on their username, and what we need now is to copy their items. We want to find successful items that this store has so that we can copy that. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how you can find winning product right now. You want to scroll down and click on see all, and after that guys you want to scroll down again and click on sold items. Okay, now the reason why you have to click on sold items is we want to find successful items that this guy is selling. Now his most successful items. Now this guy is really successful and he's also top rated seller. That means he makes his customers happy. Okay, now after you click on sold items, you will see the list of people who you will see the list of products that this person has sold. You want to click for example on the first product, and as you can see it has 2 sales. Now I always go with minimum like 2 sales. I don't list any product that doesn't have more than 2 sales because it's not proven to work on eBay. Probably if you search for this on AliExpress, you will find that a lot of people buy that product from AliExpress, but it doesn't make sense to list that exact product on eBay just because it has a lot of sales on AliExpress. We want to find products that are proven to work on eBay. Now that's the reason why I told you guys to find competitors. I don't want you just to go to AliExpress, any product listed on eBay. I see a lot of sellers do the exact same thing, and they are not even they don't even make any money. I don't even know why they are wasting their time. We want to find products that are proven to work on eBay. Now as you can see, this product has 2 sales. Now next thing you want to do guys, after you find a product that has minimum 2 sales, if it has 1 sale, don't even waste your time. Minimum is 2 sales. And what you need to do guys, you want to search for this exact product. You want to right click on the picture and you want to scroll down a little bit and search for this exact product. Okay, you want to search for it. As you can see, this is the product. It's actually the same. It says here AliExpress. Now as you can see, this is the product. It has different variations, as you can see. Let me check. It has different colors. Yeah, this one is out of stock because as you can see, it has only one color. When you click on other colors, it's not allowing me because it's out of stock. Now what I'm going to do in this case, I'm just going to search for this exact title on AliExpress, and I'm going to try to find this product. Keep in mind that this is going to take a little bit of time, so just don't give up. And at the beginning this is going to be hard, but after you get used to this, it will be so easy. Now it seems that this product is the same. Let me check. Okay, it's actually the same, the same thing. Yeah, it's actually the same. As you can see, this one, it's the same. The only difference here is this laptop is in the table, and this one there is no laptop. Okay, it's the same product. Now what I'm going to do in this case, I am going to copy the title of eBay seller because this title is proven to work. People search for this specific title. The only thing I copy from eBay seller, like I said, is title. Other things I copy them from AliExpress, including the pictures. Now to download the pictures, you want to download this extension. It's called AliSave. Let me check. AliSave download AliExpress images and videos. Now this is the extension that you need to download. No, it's not this one. Let me check. It's actually, yes, this is the extension. You just want to go to your Chrome web store and search for AliSave, and this is the icon of extension, and then you want to click on add to Chrome, and then click again on add to Chrome because I already added this extension. I always use this extension to download photos from AliExpress products. Okay, now after you download this extension, you will find here 4 different options here. As you can see, main images, then you can then download these images from AliExpress. Now after you download these images, you then click on sell in the top right, and like I said, you want to copy the title of eBay seller and click list item, and you want to paste that title here. Now after you paste the title, what you need to do guys next is you want to select with like if the product is new, of course it's new. Now you just want to do like you just want to enter the information of the product, for example the photos. You want to add the photos here. Like I said, you want to paste here the photos of the AliExpress seller that we have downloaded here. Now you want to upload all these photos here. Scroll down, and when it says brand, always go with unbranded so that you don't have any problem with copyright owners. Always unbranded. That's what I do guys most of the time. 99% of the time I always go with unbranded. And these specifics you can just copy them from eBay. Scroll down, and you want to click on yeah, as you can see everything here, you will find it here. For example, design, you just want to go for example with anime. Okay, and the color, if you go to seller and you check for color, as you can see the color here, let me check the color printed was nice colors. Yeah, he didn't include the color, so you just want to add for example color multi-color, because this product has multiple colors, and the country is always China. Always go with China. Okay, the country region of our manufacturer, always China. The MPN, go to eBay and see if this seller has MPN here. I'm going to do that right now. MPN, as you can see, MPN, yeah, it says here doesn't apply, so that do the exact same thing. Okay, that's what I do guys, copying others. That's what I do. Okay, and the description, you want to copy it from you can either copy it from eBay seller or AliExpress seller, but always make it a little bit better. That's what I do guys. I just change like the colors, stuff like that. It doesn't matter, it's always up to you guys. Just make sure when you copy the description from AliExpress seller, make sure it doesn't have anything that says their AliExpress in the description. Okay, copy it and read the description. Okay, and after that guys, you want to just yeah, you want to add these information like this, how many, like the price, like you have to increase the price. Of course, if the price on AliExpress is $10, then you have to sell it for like $14. But what I do guys is I compete with other sellers. Okay, I always compete with other sellers. This one is selling it for $9 because he searched for a cheaper product on AliExpress, but even the product has like $10 here. If you search for other products, you will find it, you will find cheaper price, like you will find cheaper prices. Okay, if you search for it, you will find people who are selling it for cheap. As you can see, $6 here. Now you just want to find someone, as you can see, $4. This is the exact product, as you can see, it's $4. Okay, and this guy is selling it like we checked, as you can see. This is actually where he downloaded the pictures, as you can see. So the product is $4 and he charges $9. Okay, now that's exactly what you need guys. You just want to find cheaper items and list the product, and then just complete the things here and click on list it. Okay, now that's it guys. Now after someone buys from you, you want to go to AliExpress, select the item, click on buy now. Okay, and you want to add the address. Now after you add the address, after you buy the item, click on place order, add the address of the customer, not you. Of course, you know how dropshipping works. Now after that, you want to contact the seller. Hi, you want to send him this message. Hi, I am a dropshipper, dropshipper, please ship this, we ship this without original price. Every time you buy an item, you have to send this message to the seller, like, I am a dropshipper, please ship this without original price. Now that's it guys. buying from AliExpress is very easy, just like buying from Amazon or anything like that. Now let's say that you have any question, please let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, and drop a like on this video if you find value in this video. See you guys next video.